Hi, welcome to another DIY project where people like me and you are not afraid to get our hands dirty. So today we're going to be working on the P0128 error code, which has to do with the thermostat housing. All right, so let me give you a backstory. If you follow my previous video or story time from my Dodge Caravan, I talk about where my vehicle was shutting off at the stop sign. Well, the P0128 has nothing to do with that, but that was one of the diagnostics they found. And I went to 3 different places. The first place I went to was Dodge Caravan, and they estimated that repair to be $318.76. I think that was the second one. Dodge was the second. The first place I brought it was Firestone, and they gave me a code of 191.59, and then from there they said they wouldn't be able to mess with the transmission, so they told me to go to Dodge, where I went, and Dodge found that. So I went to auto shop that does the transmission, and they quote me the thermostat assembly. The part was $69.95, and the labor was $490. Yeah, so I decided to do it myself after getting all those different quotes. I ended up spending $5,000 to have the transmission rebuilt, and took all the money out of me. So what I did, I looked up what the P0128 was, and it says basically this thermostat that needs to be replaced. I think I got this from AutoZone. It should be on here. Yeah, I think I got this from AutoZone. So this is what it looks like with the housing and everything. I think you can get the sensor by itself, but it's just easier just to get the whole thing. So I ended up getting this, and the price for this was $21. Let me look exactly on the receipt what it says. The receipt says $21.99, and I got a 10% discount off of it, so it was cheaper. So for what we need is, I got an open container to catch the radiator fuel fluid. I even got me a bottle, extra bottle of radiator fuel. I got a bungee cord. I got open end and closed wrench. I'm supposed to be using the, I think it was 13 millimeter and a 14 millimeter, but once we get our hands dirty, I'll let you know what it is. And I got a socket set right here. A socket set right here with everything. So that's all we need, and then I'm gonna get a absorb material to absorb whatever it doesn't catch in the pan. All right, so let's get to it. Yes, and also I forgot the most important things: the gloves, and got a pliers. So I'm gonna go ahead and set everything up. I'm gonna put the pan down and everything. All right, so this is where the sensor is. I don't know if you can see it. So this is where you have your power steering reservoir, and below it, it's this thing right here. I don't know if you can see it. So to get to it, I'm gonna loosen this bolt right here, take this out the way. This card I'm gonna use to hook this to it, clip it on, and I might have to take this out, but I'm not sure. And we'll see what happened from there. So to take this out, I tried the 12, it didn't work. Okay, we got a 13, so this is a 13. All right, let me put my gloves on. Take this out right there. Huh, I got plenty of room. Got plenty of room. Yeah, plenty room. Alright. I'm just gonna set this up so I don't get this to don't damage this thing. Just wanted, you know what? Let me hook it in here. I don't want to put it on the hose. And just feed this back on itself. Yeah, I don't want to break that either. Man, then we had a different trouble. Different stuff. Just enough, yeah. I don't think that's too much pressure on there. Alright, let me see what we got here. That's too small. Let me try 11. Nope, it's not 11. Okay, that's not 11. Try a 10. So we know the 13 millimeter takes that off. I'm trying to figure out, yep. And this is a 10 to take the, so where this is setting, you got a bolt here and a bolt there. So I'm gonna try to get the one in the front, kind of loosen it a little bit. Yeah, the gloves kind of make it awkward. Yeah, I think that should be good for me. Yeah. Oh yeah, another safety thing is to make sure the you know what, let me get some rubber. Yeah, I don't want this thing leak all over my hand because this is radiator fluid, and if it does, you better wash your hand properly before you mess with any ingestion stuff. Alright, so here we go. I got this off, and basically let me use my pliers to pinch this so I can move it down. If you got help, use it. I'm gonna try to do it by myself. If not, I'm gonna ask the cameraman to help me, but I'm gonna try to push first. Yeah, I'm gonna ask the cameraman to help me. Alright, you know what? Yep, I'm getting it. It's going. Yep. Alright. Got it right there. So I'm gonna twist this off. Damn, this thing is off. Hey, and also there's a notch right here. Just make sure you have it in the same after you take this guy out. Alright. Hopefully. It's pretty cold too, so might give me a run for my money. Alright, so basically what I was doing wrong, I pushed this all the way up here, so it was getting stuck. So I push it back down there, and I'm able to tug on it a little bit. Ooh. Yeah, so I'm looking at this one. It looks like there's something wrong with it, the way it's set. Let me get a little screwdriver or something. So basically it said he was stuck in. See, it's not center. And I paid for this last time, but I'm not even sure if they replaced it. I'm gonna ask if this is the original part. So I don't think the mechanic changed it. The way this thing looks, it was never changed. I gotta call Dodge and see if this is the original part. This is right here. If it is, I think I might have a lawsuit, because I don't think this was changed. Because if you can tell, this is an aftermarket. The way the aftermarket's set, this one is different. Like this looked like the original part. So I'm gonna try to bring this to the part department and see if this was the original part that came for the vehicle, because I have proof that I paid for this last year to be replaced, and it said it was done. So alright, it's the old part, put it back. Alright, so now I'm gonna try to move this thing up. So it might give me a little hard time, so I'm gonna let the camera help me this time. You ready, cameraman? Alright. Yep. Yeah, I was able to get it by myself. So basically I just put it flat here and I rotate this thing till it gets right in there. I'll make sure it doesn't move. It's steady. All right, so I'm gonna put this bad boy under here. Make sure I don't mess with any connection. I don't want to cause another problem. Shit. All right. All right, so I was able to put this thing back in there. Hopefully it's tight enough. I'll be turning it put some look like I put strain on this thing right here. I might have to, I don't like the way this thing is. Yeah, I might have to the way this thing is twisted. Yeah, I don't like the way it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out that spring back. Alright, come over here. Yeah, so basically the tube was twisted. I didn't like the way it looked, so I had to redo it so it'd be straight. And so I'm all done. Put it back. Go ahead and put this back together. This was a 13. So the bolts to get out the thermostat is 10mm, and to move all this other stuff right here, this is a 13. So basically, and the socket set that I had is a cheap knockoff. I forgot where I got it from. I think it was on sale and I bought it, and it doesn't work that much. Alright, so I got everything hooked up. Let me check the radiator fluid here. I think that should be fine. Yes, empty. But I still got some in the reservoir. We'll go ahead and turn it on. I might just go ahead and fill that up. So basically, what was giving us a P0128 was this thing like here. See right there? It was stuck open, so it looked like it could move. So it was deviated. So, but I'm gonna try to find out if this was the original part. Yep, it is. It is the original part. So they never changed it out. Then they charged me for it. All right. All right. So I'm just putting some antifreeze in here. I'm supposed to use like a gallon. Alright, I'm gonna start it up and see what it does. That's all, folks. Remember to clear your error code and replenish any fuel that was lost. Alright, thanks for watching. And to remember to visit mobilemerchantonline.com. Alright, see you again next video.